By the time you see this video, we will have introduced 4 new foot pegs. The NDW peg, the Bootlegger peg, the Bandit peg, and the Bandolier peg. All 4 of these pegs are based on the same design, which you can see here. The first one, the NDW peg, is something that Natalie really likes. Dwayne and I said no damn way it'll ever sell. That's why it's the NDW. But of course, if it does sell well, NDW are Natalie's initials. So one way or another, it's going to have a good name. The Bootlegger peg and the Bandit peg are very similar, slight variations in design. It's a peg that I like, but most other people said they didn't think it would do well. The Bandolier peg is one that Dwayne came up with. Most people say they like it the best. So we're doing a new thing. We're only making limited runs, limited quantities of each of these 4 peg designs. And we're doing them in black with the contrast cut. And that's what there's going to be. And depending on how they sell, we may make more of them or we may not. All 4 of them do well, we'll make all 4 of them. More of all 4 of them. I've been teasing Natalie that the NDW might be like a pet rock. So ugly that a bunch of people will like it. But people will let us know. They buy stuff they like, they don't buy stuff they don't like. So we're going to find out. These are made from 6061 billet. We're only going to be doing them in the black and the contrast. If one or more of the designs sells well, when we make more of them, we'll also do them in raw aluminum, and we'll do them in all black, no contrast. So they'll be in 3 different variations of color. I've tested them out. They're really comfortable. They have a great lean angle, and they have a really good grip. So this is a new thing. We're going to find out. And if they don't sell well, then the ones that do sell, we don't make any more of them. The people who have them, they'll have a very limited edition of these pegs. They'll fit a Sportster, Dyna, they'll fit the Softails that use regular pegs. They'll even fit the 18 Softails with 18 and higher Softails with the foot peg adapter. And they'll even fit baggers and trikes, the highway pegs, and if they have the regular foot peg mounts for the passenger. So anyway, there it is. NDW, Bootlegger, Bandit, and Bandolier pegs. Limited quantities. If you like it, go ahead and get it, because we might not be making any more of them.